Welcome to the third episode of the Concepts sub-series from That Green Thing series. That Green Thing is a web-based catalog management software as a service for music publishers. Today's topic is our total data validation policy, also known as no garbage in. In computer science, garbage in, garbage out, is the concept that flawed or nonsense input data produces nonsense output. So, what are the options when input data is garbage? Allow, and reject. It is really this simple. We believe in, and enforce, the second option. But, let's discuss the first option first. Do you know the difference between theory and practice? In theory, there isn't one. In theory, one could fix the data between input and output. In practice, garbage in always means garbage out. At least the first time, until someone gets back to you that your output was garbage. And that, due to this, they, and probably you as well, did not receive due royalties. Most catalog management so-called solutions allow garbage data to enter the system, including the large, expensive and slow one. There are many people who simply accept this as normal. If you are among them, then stop watching. That Green Thing is not for you. Don't even try to contact us, please. Because, with That Green Thing, you will be miserable. You will be frustrated because your garbage data will be rejected, regardless if you enter it manually or import it. All your data must be compliant with CWR specs at all times. This means that your data can be used to register works in almost any CMO worldwide, without being rejected for technical reasons. You will not be able to enter /import bad ISWCs, IPIs or EANs. If you enter disallowed characters, like a comma in a name or non-Roman characters, your data will be rejected. Just as any work where the sum of shares is not 100. It will even reject invalid writer roles, such as arrangers in original works. We don't think that fixing in post is a good approach. You still have to do it from time to time, even with our software, garbage happens. But not when it can be detected and prevented up front. Why do we enforce no garbage in policy? Well, it saves a lot of time in the long run, though at first it may seem to take slightly more. You don't lose royalties because you have bad data and maybe even don't know it. Your employees who manage the metadata will require less training, while learning faster. I could go on and on, but in the end, it is really simple. Your database should not be a garbage dump. And if it is, we can help you to clean it up really quickly. Here is a fun video that explains it. And the whole series about our software, as well as 2 sub-series, me covering concepts and Dave covering tutorials. All relevant links are in the description. Please share our content with music industry professionals, like, subscribe, and keep watching.